Hey there, Titans. Today I'll show you how to use custom actions in a Salesforce table. So let's publish this form first and see what it can do. So here I'm getting all my contacts. I'm getting actually first 100 contacts in my organization just by the form execution, just for the example. And once I click this action, what it will do, it will bring in all the opportunities that are related to that account. Just mapped in the name of the opportunity, the amount, the stage, and the account name. So we can see that I clicked on United Oil and Gas Corp, and it brought in all the opportunities related to that account. If I'll choose a different account, they will do the same. So let's see how we can get this to work. This is just a simple example. You can take it and do a lot more complicated things with it, like popping up a modal window to another form and many other things. So just the basics of this are, you head over to your Salesforce table, to your element, and let's just get to the element settings and head over to the advanced. So here we have just a simple table, and my mappings are first 100 contacts into the table. We'll view this in a minute, our get. So we'll head over to our advanced. I selected the custom actions here, and you click configure, and then it will give you basically to add as many actions as you like. And the important thing to notice here is you need to map it into a hidden. So I created here a new hidden that's called a contact ID. And I mapped my record value. Basically, I'm mapping here contacts, or contacts. It will return the contact ID into my hidden, and then based on that contact ID, I'm doing my next get, which is basically to get all the opportunities that are related to that account, to the account that the contact is related to. So let's head over to our get settings. So our first get is just a contact table, and I have no conditions. It executes on the form load. I'm getting all my contacts limited by 100, and I'm mapping it to my contact table. So let's take a look at the mapped fields, first name, last name, and the account ID. And my next get, I'm getting the contact ID by the hidden that we mapped from the action. And pay note that this needs to be used in custom button in order for us to configure it there. And so our conditions are simple. And the next thing we'll do, we didn't map anything here. Nothing is mapped. The next thing we did is we got an opportunity, and our condition is very simple. We're getting where the account ID is equal to our contact, and we've selected the account ID from our contact. And here we mapped our opportunity fields into our second table, the opportunity table. We mapped the opportunity name, the opportunity amount, stage, and the account name. Let's close this. Head back to our custom actions, and the only thing we have to do is to hit configure and select. It could be a push or a get, anything you like. We just selected our get, we added it, and every time we'll click that custom action, it will run. We can also configure confirmation mode, which will pop up a window, and it will basically ask the user for confirmation text, yes or no, and it will run the action accordingly. And that's how you do it.